My name is Catherine Turner and I work at a practice in Basingstoke called Bounty Road Dental Practice. Worked with Victor Gehani, who is obviously doing the course today. I was actually one of his vocational trainees. He keeps in contact with everyone, so he told me about it, which was really good for me. Very little. I'm currently hoping to restore implants that are placed by my principal dentist at my practice. All I've really done is observed uncoverings. So the implant course was really good. Loads of knowledge that these guys have who are doing the courses. Loads of cases, loads of materials, lots of their mistakes in the past and how they've learned from it, which is always the kind of the best way to learn. And yeah, just really interesting. Really enjoyed it. I would definitely recommend the course. Like I said, the people that run the course are so knowledgeable and they have great examples of cases, and they're very willing to answer questions, and they're very open about everything as well. So it's really interesting to hear their point of view on things, and it's really useful. Yeah.